9 iPhone tips for seniors that are hidden in plain sight. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and I will take you around with 9 iPhone tips for seniors that make the device easier to see, hear, and use. So go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on accessibility and then tap on the display and text size option you see there, and then go ahead and tap on the larger text option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for larger accessibility sizes. You can then go ahead and increase the font size across apps. Now go back to accessibility settings and tap on the audio or visual option and scroll down and tap on the LED flash for alerts option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for LED flash for alerts. Now go back to settings and tap on the display and brightness option and then tap on the display zoom option you see there and set it to zoomed or larger text. It is great for easier reading and tapping. Now, go back to settings and tap on apps at the bottom of your screen and then tap on the phone option and then go ahead and tap on silence unknown callers option and enable silence unknown callers, and unknown numbers will go straight to voicemail. Also, in apps itself, tap on the magnifier option you see there and enable magnifier. Further, scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap hold on the screen and you will see the option for add a control. Here, navigate to magnifier and tap on it in order to add magnifier on your control center for quicker access. Now, go back and tap on accessibility again and then tap on the live captions option you see there and enable live caption. This is very helpful for hearing difficulties. Also, go back to settings and scroll down and tap on the emergency SOS option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for call with side button and call with 5 times button you see there in order to quickly enable emergency services call. Also, go back to settings and tap on accessibility, and if you are using any hearing aids, then tap on the hearing devices option and iPhone will support many made for iPhone hearing aids devices. Also, in accessibility again, tap on the touch option and then tap on assistive touch and enable assistive touch. This is great if pressing physical buttons is difficult. So these were a few hidden tips for seniors that are hidden on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.